how to fix Lens Island crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game and go to properties, and then go to installed files and click verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish this process. Now once it's done, you want to click on the browse button and then right click on Lens Island exe and then go to properties, compatibility tab, and check both of these right here, disable full screen optimization and run this program as admin. Click on apply and OK. Now you want to close this and try to launch the game from here and see if that solves the issue. Now if the issue still persists, you will need to update your GPU drivers. So first, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you might need to install NVIDIA app, which makes it easy to get drivers. Now go to drivers section, click on this arrow to check for the latest updates, and then click on download and install for the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once it's finished installing, you'll need to restart your system. And then you want to open up Steam again and play the game, and that should solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.